Oh, hi. Beer plus chocolate plus whiskey plus caramel plus buttercream. Well, get ready. Jenny Vialle, owner of Great Scott, joins us now to show us how to make Guinness chocolate cupcakes. I didn't drink that. It's empty, and I just stole it to try to make a joke. But anyway, it didn't work. So let's start. How do we make cupcakes with buttercream? And let's talk about what different buttercreams we can use first.
Okay, so I decided to get a little head start on St. Patrick's Day and turn my favorite cocktail into an actual cupcake.
Okay.
So it's going to be an Irish cream cupcake with a Guinness chocolate cake. So I just took my favorite chocolate cake recipe and added in a little bit of Guinness stout. So that really deepened the chocolate flavor, and it gave it a really great moist crumb too.
Is that the first time you've tried to cook with Guinness, or is cooking with Guinness like a habitual thing?
It's not habitual. I definitely do like to drink whenever I bake sometimes, just to make it a little funner. But this one I thought was perfect for St. Patrick's Day, and then pairs really well with Bailey's buttercream.
All right, well, let's get started. You got the stand mixer here, and what do we need to do to get going?
So first we're going to cream together our butter and sugar.
Okay.
So this is going to be a paddle attachment, and so you want to cream it together to where it's really light and nice and fluffy.
All right.
And so we have our dry ingredients, and I'm actually going to, so after about 8 minutes of this creaming together super light and fluffy, then we're going to alternate the dry and the liquid ingredients
Put them on each a little bit at a time?
Yep, until each is fully incorporated, and then you have a really successful batter after that.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm going to do a little bit of, this is my cocoa powder and also my flour.
All right.
So we're just going to drizzle that in.
So really just a little at a time. We're not doing more than half a cup there probably,
Just
right?
a little at a time to make sure that everything mixes together nicely.
Okay. And then a little bit of the beer.
This is the beer. This is going to be Guinness, and then also my vanilla's mixed in there. And there's a little bit of espresso to kind of deepen that chocolate flavor as well.
Do you ever do like a little for the cake, then a little for you, and then a little for the cake?
Little for the cake, okay, gotta keep it even.
All right, so we get everything mixed up, and you just make your cupcakes like normal, is that how that works?
Yeah, just make them like normal.
Okay.
So I added some chocolate chips to the top of it just to make it a little richer, a little more chocolate.
Are we done with the mixer? Because that's loud.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, we can turn that off.
Go. I couldn't find the off button, or else I would have done it too.
Yeah.
Because I'm excited, I'm gonna try to ice it. Now, let's talk about the icing a little bit here too.
So this is gonna be a Bailey's buttercream, and then I actually made a super easy homemade Jameson caramel sauce. Added a little salt to it, so it's a salted caramel. So it is gonna have alcohol in it, so you can just add in just a standard caramel dripping to kind of complete the flavor profile, but the Jameson just adds so much to it.
So these are not for the kiddos.
These are not for the kiddos. Okay. These are definitely for the adults on St. Patrick's Day.
Excellent. Well, how far in advance should we be making them? Can I make them now for St. Patty's Day, or should I wait till the week of?
I would do it the week of, and then keep them out at room temperature so they stay nice and moist.
Okay.
Yep.
Excellent. Well, let's get to this. So this is the Irish buttercream, right?
This is a Five Farms Irish buttercream.
Oh, we've had Five Farms in the show before.
Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah.
It's not overly sweet. It's super creamy, and it still has that little bit of an alcohol kick to it.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, let's get busy here.
So if you want to go ahead and squeeze the top of your bag, okay? And then you're just going to start in the center, and then just get a little closer.
Well, I'm just kind of going to watch you first, so I don't mess it up here, but we'll try here. Okay.
And then so you're just going to do one dollop on top. There's going to be some air bubbles, but we're going to smooth those out. Looks good.
All right.
All righty.
I'm just going to keep going. Is that okay?
Yeah, just keep on going. Okay, that's good.
All right.
Okay.
All right, we got to wrap this up here. I guess we're going to finish it up here in the break, and we'll show you our finished product here in just a little bit. Jenny, thank you so much. Can I just eat the icing?
You can have it. Okay. Yeah, that's yours.
Perfect. Belinda, over to you.